Where'd you come from? Poor thing. Let's get you cleaned up. Why are you looking at me like that?
For our evening headlines, civilians are highly advised to stay indoors as local authorities investigate an active serial killer in Oakland and the East Bay area. This warning is especially for folks around Lake Merritt where the killer has been most active. Oakland police urge anyone to call 911 upon witnessing suspicious activity. The current motive of the killer is not known, except for most of their victims being young women. Stay tuned to KRO News for more official reporting on this story.
Seriously, so I don't mind. Okay, cool. Thanks. Fuck! All good?
No, my fucking car won't start and it's freezing and I have to wait for fucking AAA.
Oh, shit. You know, I live right across the street and, I know I'm a total stranger and all, but you could totally wait at my place and give AAA a call while you wait, not be in the cold. Sorry, yeah, I know, it's really weird. I just thought I'd help someone out in the cold is all.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Oh, hey, that's funny. Why don't you have a laundry bag?
Please don't hurt me, please. I promise I'm not who you're looking for. I will give you whatever it is that you need. I won't tell anyone. Just please let me go. Shh.
FBI, freeze! Drop your weapon.
Please, I swear you have it all wrong. I don't even know where I am. I don't know who any of these people are. Please.
Shut up. You can tell me all that in prison, sicko.
Hello and good morning. Welcome back to another episode of True Crime with Che. It's a sunny day here in Oakland, but we are going to be talking about some pretty gloomy subject matter today. I'm here with FBI agent Luther Francis, who was the lead investigator in the notorious killer chihuahua case that just closed 3 weeks ago. 21-year-old Rita Singh claimed that a demonic chihuahua was possessing her and instigating her to kill 8 people around Lake Merritt. So, Mr. Francis, thanks again for coming on. To kick things off, what was your overall assessment of the case?
Hey, thanks so much for having me. It was, definitely something, Che. I've heard of cases like this before, and I can only go into so much detail, legally. But it was absolutely bizarre to witness firsthand. I mean, the accuser claimed a household pet was controlling their mind, forcing them to commit murder. What kind of excuse is that?
And there was no dog found at the scene of the crime?
Precisely. Our guys swept the whole place. Forensics even looked for evidence, Yet not a piece of DNA proving a dog was there. Sure, I mean, yeah. It was a dog bowl. Stuff for the dog. But no proof or sign of a dog being there. No sign of some dog with mind-controlling powers ever existed. I know it can be hard to accept sometimes, but there are people in this world that are just pure evil.